In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the password-protected page in WordPress. If you've ever found yourself needing to modify a page that you've previously locked behind a password, you'll know it can feel a bit daunting at first. But fear not. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently navigating these edits, ensuring that your content remains as secure and polished as you want it to be. Starting off, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, look over at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a screen listing all the pages on your site, password protected or not. Now, browse through the list to locate the page you wish to edit. Keep an eye out, as the pages are usually sorted alphabetically. When you find your page, click directly on its title. This action will bring you to the page editor. Here, within the page editor, you're granted the ability to make any text or media modifications you need. Whether that's updating an image, changing the wording, or adding an entirely new section of content, the tools you need are right in front of you. Simply click into the text box area to start editing your content just as you would on any regular, non-password protected page. Now, let's focus on maintaining security. You'll want to pay special attention to this part. On the right-hand side of your screen, look for the section labeled General or Visibility in some versions. Here, you'll find the password settings. If, for any reason, you wish to modify the existing password, simply choose Password Protected from the drop-down menu and follow the prompts to enter your new password. Confirm your changes, keeping in mind that you'll need to communicate this new password to anyone you wish to access this page or they'll remain locked out. Don't forget the essential step of saving your changes. At the top right of the page, there's an option to update. Simply click the Update button, which ensures all your hard work is saved and reflected on your live site. It's always a good idea to preview changes before closing out, to verify that everything looks the way you envisioned. Before we wrap up today's session, remember, working with password-protected pages requires a bit more vigilance. It's about protecting sensitive information but also ensuring ease of access for those who need it. Always double-check who has the password and ensure it's shared securely. That's all for today. I hope this guide helps you confidently edit any password-protected page in WordPress with ease. If you have questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below.